What's going on, my beautiful YouTube family? Today I have a super awesome training for you. Today I'm going to show you how to add product video to your Amazon listing even if you're not brand registered. So this is going to be an incredibly powerful training, so you're not going to want to miss it. And if it's true what they say that an image says 1,000 words, can you imagine what a good video will say about your product? Alright, that was a little cheesy, I'll admit that, but I also wanted to give you an update that every Thursday I'm going to be doing a seller hack video apart from the other training videos I'm going to do throughout the week. So make sure you especially check in on Thursdays if you want those juicy tidbit takeaways that are involved in selling on Amazon. So let's go ahead and get into the video training now. Alright, so welcome to the quick training here for you. Now, I know what you're probably thinking right off the bat. I don't know how to create a professional video. And you don't need to worry, because the resource I'm about to go over is a database of influencers that will create a product video for you in which you can use as content for your Amazon listing. So you can actually just outsource this, and the database we're going to be using is called influence.co. I'm not an affiliate for them, but they are an awesome platform because the influencers who are subscribed to their database are specifically influencers who are part of Amazon's affiliate program. So Amazon has this new affiliate program for influencers. They're really trying to get into the influencer game, along with FameBit, which is another service I've recommended before. And this one is just going to make it a lot easier for you to find quality affiliates specifically for Amazon products. Now, let's go ahead. So once you're at influence.co, you're just going to hit influencers right here and search. So you'll go ahead and type in your category. And what's really cool about this is that it basically has every category you can imagine. So you will not have any issues whatsoever finding an influencer to make you a quick product video. Now, a couple things to note about this particular strategy is that when you're looking for influencers, you can get up to, maybe 1 to 3 videos created for you, but make sure the videos are no more than 90 seconds. Between 30 and 90 seconds is the sweet spot, because people on Amazon have a short attention span. So if you gotta get their attention quickly, and a video any longer than 1 minute and 30 seconds can just be distracting. So just get straight to the point with your product video. And the product video, ideally you want it to be a product review video. So if they can wear your product or demo your product in action in some way, shape, or form, that's going to be best, because you're going to be using that video and uploading it to your Amazon video shorts. So when you're reaching out to influencers, here is how this is going to work. Now, the way this is going to work is when you're talking to the influencers, first you need to negotiate the price. So once you've established how much you're going to pay for your video, maybe $100-$150 for a quick minute video, go ahead and once you have that video and the price, you're going to then negotiate. Okay, now they're going to have to buy your product on Amazon. So then you'll just include your product costs. And if they don't have Prime, whatever the shipping is, but odds are they have Prime. Who doesn't have Prime these days, right? And so the reason is because you can upload the video yourself, maybe use a different email account, but unless you're brand registered, Amazon prefers that the video shorts that are in this section right here. So if you're here, just scroll to the bottom. So right here where it says related video shorts, this is where the influencer, once they create your video, buy your product, create your video, and once it's all said and done, it's going to look something like this. Well, that one just looks weird. So let's check this one out. Alright, I have no idea what that beginning was, but you get the picture. So make sure you do quality videos, and the reason why is because when customers are looking at the review section, so it's one thing to have a video on your listing up top, right here if you're brand registered, but what people are looking at also when they're considering buying your product is the reviews. So if before they get to the actual review section, see that there's images here and descriptions, they're actually prompted with video shorts first. So this is actually your first point of contact when a customer's debating or considering your product over your competitors. And so if you can get quality video shorts uploaded to your listing, you're going to see your conversion rates increase because your product is in action. And again, if you find a high quality influencer, you're going to do extremely well. And so you can upload this video yourself, but I've heard instances where Amazon will just remove it because the seller bought it, or the seller uploaded it from the same email that their seller account is attached to. So you can try using another seller account. We just have the influencer buy the product, and when they leave the product review, they upload it here. So you can just send them a template, like a screenshot, just say, look, once the video is done, click here and upload. And that's basically it. And send them a link to your listing so that way they can buy the product, and you've already sent them the money to buy the product. So that's why I said negotiate first the your working costs for the production of the video, and then once you got that figured out, say, okay, now here's just another $22 or $25 to actually upload the video now to our listing. And you, again, Influence.co has basically every category you can imagine. I would probably trim this down a little bit. Let's do 200,000. If you go to someone who has a 1 million follower count, that video is going to be well over $1,000. But if you can stay within this range, you're going to be looking at about $150 per video. And again, you basically, the power is in your hands as an Amazon seller, because you can just go through, message, keep an Excel sheet, and organize all the influencers you're talking to, and also look at their profiles, because just because they might have a large reach, maybe their audience is not necessarily as relevant as another influencer could be. So relevancy is key, because apart from them posting the video, you can also ask them to share it with their audience. So you get double benefit. So this should have also been like an influencer marketing training. So you get a 2-for-1 here on Thursday hacks for Amazon sellers. So the first part of it is they're going to share it with their audience. So they got all the big platforms here. Pinterest, it's actually growing in popularity. I'll probably do a video on Pinterest marketing for Amazon sellers in another video, but Pinterest, not to digress too much, is growing in popularity. So you'll have them post that, so you'll have evergreen content here, and then the added benefit is they'll also be able to post the video under your listing, and you now have a product video under your product listing without being part of the brand registry. So if that's not powerful content, I don't know what is. And usually this is, you don't have to leave it to chance, right? Sellers will wait years maybe, and maybe no one will ever upload a video. So you can take the power in your hands and get an influencer, have them buy your product, and then post the product video to your Amazon listing. Boom, and that's how the story goes. And don't forget to vet the suppliers, the influencers. And you can see there is a ton of high quality influencers out there. And if you don't see a lot of videos, some really good influencers even have a portfolio. So just ask them, hey, do you have a couple videos you've made in the past? And this is going to be a bit of a numbers game. So find maybe 10 to 15 influencers. And usually they're prompt, but some of them might take a while. So that's why if you're reaching out to 15 influencers, you really have the power to pick and choose which one you want to work with that are quick in response and have high quality content. Okay, so I also have been getting a lot of questions recently on product research. Now we all know it's one thing to buy a product, but what if you could actually find a winning product and know that it's going to be a home run before you even purchase inventory? I think this is the #1 way every Amazon seller should do product research. And in this next video, I'm about to show you step by step how you can guarantee that before you purchase inventory in a product, it'll be a home run once it lands in the Amazon warehouses. And don't forget to join my private group. It's an exclusive group for Amazon FBA sellers only. So go ahead and join the tribe. We would love to have you. I'll see you guys on the next video.